Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about basic geotechnical engineering, 18Cv54, module 2, lecture class 5, soil structure, clay mineralogy and compaction of soil for 5th semester students. So the today's discussion is composed of compaction of soil, the definition, principles of compaction. So I wanted to give an example. If you take a soil in a loose state, you will have a particle sizes, and there is a huge particle sizes will be there. Between the particle sizes, there is a huge gap of voids will be there. So if you compact the soil, if you apply the load and if you compact it, there will be the reduction in the height of the soil take place. That reduction in the height is due to the expulsion of the air which is present in the void space of the soil sample, and this is called as compaction. So I can define compaction. Compaction is a process of densification of the soil by the expulsion of the air which is present in the void space of the soil sample is called as compaction. You can see this sketch here before compaction. So you can see the before compaction the volume is high, after compaction volume is less, but the same quantity of soil is taken here. So this is about the compaction. Next is the principle of compaction. For a specific amount of compaction energy applied on soil, the mass attains maximum rate density at a particular water content, and this water content is referred to as optimum moisture content. Next is uses of compaction. This compaction is required for densification of soil below the subgrade. It is used in airfill pavement wherever we have runway. On the runway, there will be for landing time, there will be a bombardment of flight wheels take place. Because of that bombardment, there will be, if a compaction is not done, runway pavement become a pothole formation takes place. To prevent the pothole, we have to densify the soil, or densifying soil we require knowledge of compaction. Next is in design of earthen dam. If you want to construct an earthen dam should be such that it should be airtight and it should take the horizontal thrust of the water current. For that purpose, high compacted soil is required. So in case of all subgrade lines, it may be a low-lying area filling, it may be a village road, major district road, minor district road, national highway, state highway, expressway, or below these bridge abutment, piers, etc. The soil should have densely compacted, otherwise settlement takes place. So the knowledge of compaction is very important. So the principle of knowledge of compaction is to get a maximum dry density at a optimum moisture content. So these are the list of references. Next is the MCQ question. The process of densification of soil mass by reducing the air voids due to sudden application of load is called as option A is consolidation, option B is compaction, option C is both A and B, option D is none of the above, option B is called compaction. Next, density attained by the soil depending on dash number of parameters. So option A is 1, option B is 2, 3, option C is 5, option D is 7, it is C 5. The earthen dam degree of compaction varies with option A is 65 to 85%, option B is 85 to 100%, option C is either A or B, option D is all the above, option B 85 to 100%. Next, light compaction instrument was developed by option A Proctor, option B AASHO. AASHO means American Association for State Highway Organization. Option C is A and B. Option D is none of the above. It is Proctor. Option A. Heavy compact instrument was developed by option A is Proctor. Option B is AASHO. Option C is both A and B. Option D is none of the above. It is option B AASHO. Next is Bureau of Indian Standard Code for light compaction test is IS 2720 part 7. Option A, option B is IS 2720 part 8, option C both A and B, option D is none of the above, it is option A. IS code of practice for heavy compaction test is option A IS 2720 part 7, option B IS 2720 part 8, option C both A and B, option D none of the above, option B. Bureau of Indian Standard Code of Practice for light compaction test. Option A, the process of densification of soil mass by reducing air voids due to the sudden application of load is called as consolidation. Option A is true, option B is false, it is false. Light compaction instrument was developed by Darcy. Option A is false. Option B is true. False. Thank you for attending the class. Practice the MCQ questions.